Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if for some reason you've got only the battery indicator and you want to show the exact percentage of the usage of the battery on the status bar, then all you have to do is to enter the settings, scroll maybe not all the way down, but to find the battery. And here, as you can see, we've got the option battery percentage. We've got three different options, do not show, so we've got only the battery indicator. Next to the battery icon, which right now I've got applied, here we've got the percentage, or inside the battery icon. So as you can see, it will be smaller, but inside the indicator. It's up to you which option you like the most. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.